Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, grade 4 student. Alhamdulillah, we meet again in this math lesson with me, Miss Vania. Now we are going to learn about new things, which is reading, writing, and partitioning numbers. Okay, but before we enter into our lesson, hopefully you already prepare all of your stuff. For example, math notebooks, and also your learner's book, and also pencil. Okay. Before, in the previous video, we already learned about digit, place value, expanded form, partitions, and also thousand. Now, here in grade 4, we are going to learn about 4-digit numbers. Before, when you are in the grade 3, you already learned about 3-digit number, right? But now we are going to learn about 4-digit number. So here is the example for place value. What is that mean? Place value is determined for each digit number into its position. For example, so here because we have 4-digit number here, as you can see 2, 4, 2, and 0. Here we need to put it on its position. For example, 2, because we have 2, 4, 2, 0. We need to put 2 here in the thousand, okay? 4, we put it in the 100. 2, we put it in the tens. And 0, we put it in the units or in ones, okay? Now, after you already know about place value, because you need to determine which digit that need to put in on each, box. Now, we need to write down the figures. Because we have 2 here in the thousand, so we can just directly write 2 here. 4 in the 100, so just put it 4. 2 in the tens, so just write 2. And 0 in the unit, just directly write 0. Alright, this one is for figures. How about words? You can just directly, read it from here. For example, because we have 2 here in the thousand, so we can just write it here, 2,000, and then after that, 4, because 4 in the 100, so we can directly write 400, because 2 in the 10, so we just 2 tens, which is 20. Because the unit, the unit is 0, so we can just, no need to put this one. Just directly use 20. So here is the words for these 4-digit numbers. And now, how about expanded form? For expanded form, you can also use this table to write it down here. Yeah. For example, because we have 2 in the thousand, which is 1,000 have how many 0? 3, right? So we can just directly put it here, expanded form into 2,000 plus, because we have 4 in the 100, we can just directly write 400. And because we have 2 here in the tens, we can put plus 20, And because it's 0, we can just ignore it. But then if you want to write it, you can just write it here. Plus 0. So it will be equal to 2,420. Okay. Now, if you already understand about these figures, how to write figures, words, and expanded form, we are going to entering another things, which is when you have to add or to subtract 1 or 10 or 100. Okay, I just erase this one. So hopefully you can have a better understanding when you see this video. And I will just change the 4-digit numbers here. Alright, we will change it into, how about this one? 2020, okay? 2020. Just put it, just directly you can put it 2 here, and then 0 here, and then 2 here, and then 0 here, okay, in the unit, in the tens, in the hundred, and in the thousand. So if I have a question like this, all right, just directly say it, yeah. What is less one than this one? I mean like this, yeah. What is 1 less than 2020? How to do it? You can just directly put minus, or you can decrease the unit here. Because what is 1 less than 2020? It means that you just put 1 here in the unit, and then you can just decrease the number in the unit. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9, right? It will be 19, and like this. Now, what is 1 less than 2020? It will become this one. And how about this one? If I have a question like this, what is 10 more than 2020? How to do it? You can just increase 10. Which one is 10? Here or here? You just put it here, okay? Increase 1, 10 here. So you can just directly put 10, for example, like this. And then it will become 20, 30. Like that, okay? Make sure you already understand the place value for do this one. Later on, we can have like what less than 100, or maybe what is less than 1,000 or something like that, okay? Now, I want to have another discussion, which is how to write the numbers based on the place in the place value, okay? For example, I have this number, 4-digit number. Like previous, okay? Then, nah. We can say it directly like 1,830, right? But we can also have another way to describe this number into like this. Maybe because we can just write like this, 18. Why 18? We can write 18 because we put together between 1 and 8. And we can see here, 8 is in the 100 place, right? We can put like 1800, 3 tens, because it's 0 in the unit, we can just ignore it. Or maybe we can also do something like this. We can put all these 3 numbers together, become 183, because 3 is stopped in the 10 box, I mean, we can put it like 183, 10. Well, it's up to you. It's just another way to describe this number, okay? Now, if you have another question, maybe you can directly ask me through WhatsApp or maybe in the class dojo. That's all maybe for the explanation for today. Hopefully you can have better understanding after you watching this video. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.